Hi there. Just thought I'd share with you my hiccups. Every time I drink a pop lately, because I haven't been drinking them for a while, I get the hiccups without fail. And they're loud and embarrassing. And it usually makes my kids laugh because they're very loud. So I thought I'd share with you because my hiccups are hurting. And I have nothing better to do right this moment than share my hiccups with you all. So enjoy me hiccuping. No. Oh. How do you get rid of hiccups? I'll try holding my breath. Any more hiccups? Did Mom get rid of her hiccups?
Yep.
Yeah, I did. Oh, you're going to get rid of your hiccups now?
No. No, I didn't read it.
Okay. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. Take care. Bye.
Yeah.